Everyone's looking to add character to their house. And one of the best ways to do that is to look at lighting. Now, not only is it a fun process, but you can really impart something different than all of your neighbors, regardless of the style of the house. You can put in can lights everywhere to light a space, but it's much more impactful if you add something that is an art piece, that says something about the style that you're looking to kind of convey, and really the overall feeling that you want people to experience the minute they step in a room or walk up to your house. And when you talk about different architectural styles, within every kind of specific vernacular, there is a broad range of subcategories that can define that same architectural period. You can do whatever you want. There's a plethora of ways that you can light a space, but there's only really one personal way that you get to add that character. That's your way to make a big change in your house without necessarily changing all the architecture.